Ready, start. Referring the aforesaid judgment, counsel for the petitioners submits that the case of the present petitioners are squarely covered with the ratio of the aforesaid judgment. Full stop. He added that because of the special circumstances, the child was with opposite party numbers 3 and 4, and the petitioner number 2 neither abandoned the child nor he has deprived the child of his right, love and affection. Full stop. He added that now the petitioner number 2 has come out of trauma and further there is female support to take care of the child, and therefore, the petitioner number 2 within bracket father bracket close cannot be denied, the custody of the child. Full stop. He submits that case in hand is an example where the father ever abandoned the child or deprived the child with his love and affection. Full stop. It is because of the fact that the first wife died and for a breathing period, the child was with his grand maternal uncle, and merely because of the fact that grand maternal uncle will take care of the child for some time, he cannot deny to hand over the custody of the child to his natural guardian. Full stop. He also added that the second wife is there, and as such, the better care, love, and affection can be poured upon the child than the maternal grandparents, who are of considerable old age persons. Full stop. He further submits that petitioner number 2 is bona fide father who can have all due care to the interest of the corpus as he is headmaster, and he has got entered the name of the corpus in his service records and also purchased the health insurance policy, investment plans, and made nominee for 50% of investment plan in the name of corpus. Full stop. Referring the aforesaid, he submits that intent of legislature is that the first and foremost right is having custody of a child is vested with the parents. Full stop. This provision has been envisaged in the aforesaid act after due care and caution by the legislature. Full stop. This indicates that unless there is such situation which negates the welfare of the child in the custody of the father, the father have all right of custody of his son. Full stop. Thus, he submitted that the present petitioner number 2 is entitled to have the custody of his minor child, and as a result, a writ of habeas corpus may be issued against the opposite party number 3 and 4 to provide the custody of minor child to the natural guardian, that is petitioner number 2, within stipulated period of time as may be fixed by this court. Full stop. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the state has opposed the contention aforesaid and submits that the situation is otherwise than it is narrated by the present petitioner number 2 in the instant petition. Full stop. He submits that a suspicious fire incident took place on 28 to 2014, wherein the wife of the petitioner number 2 and child within bracket corpus bracket close sustained severe burn injuries, and as a result the mother of the child died on 24/3/2014. Full stop.